Alrighty, y'all. Hope you're having a fantastic Wednesday. Today's Wednesday? Yes, today is Wednesday. Hope you're having a fantastic Wednesday. We are on our way to Milt's, which is a barbecue place in Kyle, Texas. It's right off Main Street. And we're headed there to continue our barbecue series, where we're trying just different Central Texas barbecue places. You know, Central Texas is very big on having different barbecues, different yummy things to eat, different yummy barbecues to eat, and that's what we're doing. We are going to get some more barbecue, and this little place, Milt's, has been around for about a year and a half here in Kyle, I think, and I've seen it a few times. We're gonna go in there and try it out. I got my beautiful daughters with me today, so we're going to have them there. They're going to give their thoughts, so we're excited to have you guys here. Let's get to Milt's Barbecue and Burgers. It's right on the corner here in Kyle, Texas. You can see we have Milt's Barbecue, and then we have Texas Pie Company, and then we have Center Field. The Texas Pie Company is known for its pies, obviously, hence the name. And Kyle is actually called the Texas Pie Capital of the World. But today we're here for the barbecue. This is Milt's. Again, Milt's is a little chain barbecue here in Central Texas, and we're gonna try it out. Now, Milt's only serves barbecue until they run out, so they might not be here all day, and they're only open from Wednesday through Sunday. So supposedly good barbecue. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. And you can see that they are closed on Monday and open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. You see they don't have too terrible much seating here, but they do have seating. A little small inside, and then they have outdoor seating over there. So yeah, but here we are. Got a nice little license plates there, little tiny inside. Smells very barbecue-ish. Alrighty, y'all, you can see we have a pretty interesting menu here. We just got barbecue sandwiches. They have a bird's nest, a Carolina, a brisket, a turkey, a pulled pork, and a sausage. And then they have barbecue plates. They have the Big Man Binge, which is $21.99. That sounds like a lot of food. They have brisket and spare ribs, turkey, chicken, sausage. And then we have meat per pound. You see $14.99 for briskets. And then they have your favorites, haystack, barbecue spud. Just looks like baked potatoes. And then they have family meals. And then you can also get burgers. Some burgers there. Got the Roadhouse burger. They got sides that include potato salad, mac and cheese. And then right underneath that is desserts. Can't see that very good underneath there. You can see the damage done was $64.54 with the tip. So this is, so far of the places that we went, this has been the most expensive lunch. And it's mainly because of Domini's brisket plate, which cost 20 bucks.
I know.
So that was a pretty steep price, but maybe it's good. And I'm gonna try some of that brisket. It looks like you get some barbecue sauce. I don't know what flavor it is. Might try that out also. You can see they have a collection of license plates here on the wall for you to look at. I wonder if it looks like it might be all 50 states. Got a lot of Texas ones down here on the bottom. Rather interesting. So again, this is a very small room here, but it's very clean. And we're like one of the first ones here, so that's kind of cool. But it's very clean in here. Has a really good barbecue smell. Very small, very comfortable. Alrighty, y'all, so here is my lunch. And look at this. We got some green beans here. I went with the healthy, low carb. And then we got the Carolina brisket sandwich here. It looks like it's just chopped brisket with some barbecue sauce on it. The bun is very warm and feels buttery. Gabby got the sausage, 2 big pieces of sausage.
Cheese sausage.
Ooh, nice.
So it looks like it's just sausage and barbecue sauce. The bun's nice. And then I got mac and cheese. Like it's got a little bit, little crispies on there. Oh, my fork.
We love
The best
Crispies.
part?
We love Crispies. Dummy got some nice moist cut brisket there. And what else you get there, Dummy? You got some fries and some green beans like me and a couple pieces of bread. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna try the sandwich here. Again, we got some big pieces of brisket in there. You can see, look at all that brisket. Looks good. Good looking sandwich. That's a very good sandwich. I would say it probably needs a little more barbecue sauce. Brisket is very moist, very tender, very good smoky flavor. You can tell they've done this for a while because I don't think you can smoke brisket like that in a few hours. That's been smoked a while. That is a very good brisket sandwich. All right, Gabby, tell everyone what you just said.
I tried the mac and cheese, and it tastes just like Booby's mac and cheese. And as everyone should know, that's the best mac and cheese in the world.
That's true. So thumbs up for the mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Dummy, I noticed you haven't really ate any of your brisket yet, but you've gone on the fries. Are the fries good? Yeah? Already, y'all, I was surprised. I did not realize that this sandwich also has sausage on it. So it's a sausage and brisket sandwich, which ups the ante considerably. Alrighty, so I'm trying these green beans. You can see, I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me tilt that down a little bit. You can see that they have bacon in them, and they're actually sweet. I don't know what makes them sweet. Obviously sugar, but they actually taste really good. They got a good bacon flavor. They also have onions in it, grilled onions. So these are really good. I like these too. This brisket has the most fat on it that I've seen so far. It's got a lot of fat. So if you don't like fatty brisket, this is probably not your thing. If you like fatty brisket, then this will be your forte for sure. Already on, here is desserts. Gabby got us the banana pudding. Me and Dami got the banana pudding, and I think Gabby got the cobbler. Which you can see we got some cookies on top, a little whipped cream around the edges. Try this guy out. Alrighty, y'all, here's the pudding. You can see we got some cookies on top, some whipped cream, and then down inside there, it looks like there's some good banana stuff in there. So let's try this out. A lot of whipped cream. Not a lot of pudding, actually. More whipped cream than pudding.
Is it good?
It tastes like banana pudding that you would get from Jell-O.
Oh.
Nothing special from. This would not be very high on my list of banana puddings that I've had. Way too much whipped cream, and not enough pudding. Alrighty, Gabby is going to give it a try. She likes that.
It's good. It's warm. It's peachy. It got a little cinnamon in it. It got a nice flavor.
So you're telling me it's better than the banana pudding?
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah. Good. Y'all, here we go. Peach cobbler tasting. Got a nice big piece of. Ooh, that's steaming hot too.
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
That looks good. You see that steam? I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Steam's coming off that. That was disgusting, but yeah, that's much better than the banana pudding.
Yeah.
I should have got this. Not too sweet. Got a really peachy taste. Crust on it's really good. It's a little bit of a like maple on top, and the whipped cream actually goes really well. Sweetens it up a little bit. But I don't like my cobbler really sweet, but this is really good.
Yeah.
Already, y'all, after a conversation with my daughters, Gabby and Dami, we're coming across with our food ratings. The first thing we're going to rate it on is food flavor and freshness. We all agree that the meal is good. However, we would not say that it's anything like extraordinary. So we're actually going to give it a rating of 2 doggy bowls. The brisket is, like I said, was tender. The green beans were different. They were sweet, which I don't necessarily know if I like that too much. There's a lot of fat in the brisket. Now, I do like fat, but there was a lot of fat in this. It did have a good smoky flavor. But I would say compared to the slab and to Salt Lake, this would just be a 2 doggy bowls. Next up is value. the bang for your buck, essentially. This was a pretty expensive meal, especially Domi's, $20. And I would say, of the places that we've been so far, that we've done ratings on, this is probably the least amount of food that we got. Again, it wasn't bad. $50 for a lunch for 3 people, though, is pretty steep for the amount of food you got. And again, this was not my favorite from a brisket standpoint or the banana pudding standpoint. So we're gonna go with 2 doggy bowls on this one. But again, it's not bad. It's okay. Next up is the service and the environments. Again, place is very clean. Places, people are very nice here. Actually, talking to some of the patrons in here right now. So very pleasant afternoon. The cashier lady was very nice. So we're gonna rate this 4 out of 4. Gets 4 doggy bowls. Big thumbs up for the service and cleanliness. Last on our list is the healthy options. Now, again, you can eat healthy here. You just have to cut all the carbs out. They do have green beans. Yeah, you could eat the chicken, which would make it healthy. But I wouldn't say there's like salads or anything of that nature. It's just mainly just barbecue. That's what the joint is. So I'm gonna give that a 2 also. I think we all agree that if you're coming here, you're probably not coming here to, eat healthy foods. You're coming here to eat barbecue. And again, barbecue meat in itself doesn't have to be bad. And you can get green beans, but there's a lot of carbs, a lot of desserts. If you're gonna come here and eat the chicken, eat the green beans. And one last thing on the nutrition, the healthy options here. They did have a veggie spud that you could get, but again, potatoes full of carbs, so I don't know how great of a food choice that would be either. Or just get the veggie, yeah, minus the spud, I guess. That's what Gabby's suggestion was. But all in all, I think I would definitely come here again for lunch. Oh, yeah. It's a nice, friendly place. It's right here on Main Street in Kyle, Texas. So it's kind of cool from that aspect. There's trains that go by. Well, actually, not trains. There's a police station across the street. There's a lot of police environment here, very friendly. So Gabby, you would come back here too, right?
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's nice. It's a convenient little area where it's at, and it's quick. We didn't wait, maybe 5
Yeah, we made it 5 minutes for food. Yeah, it was really fast.
It was fast. It was nice. It was good. It was a good meal.
Dami, would you come here again?
Yeah. It's barbecue.
It's barbecue, right?
And you're in Texas, so
yeah,
you gotta get some kind of barbecue.
Yeah, exactly.
I do think that we're pretty picky on the ratings on the barbecue because we are used to barbecue a lot.
That's
so it's
true.
Gotta be good.
Very good point, Dami. Very good point. You can see here also they in 2010 they voted the best barbecue in Central Texas by KBET, Bucky and Bob's. Not only were they voted the best barbecue in 2010. But you can also see they were rated the best of North Hays County 2019. It was the second best. Alrighty, y'all, there you have it. What a fantastic lunch we had. Another good barbecue vlog for you guys. Hope we're providing you some info on the different great places to eat barbecue around here in Central Texas. Please, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Remember, we love you guys and live problem free. Bye.